and welcome to another episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. Today is day 85, and if you're new here, then welcome. My name is Abigail. I'm a confidence crusader on a mission to help women elevate their confidence through these daily videos, through my 365 Thoughts on Confidence book, my specialist women's portrait photography, and my online program called Conscious Confidence. So if you feel like you could do with the daily boost of confidence, then consider subscribing to the channel. Do you know what you really need if you want to conquer your day tomorrow? I'm going to tell you in today's video, so cue the intro. As I said, today is day 85. That means this is the 85th video of the year. And the thought of the day reads, rest well when you need it, so you can conquer tomorrow. If you're anything like me, then you've got a program running in your mind on a constant loop that you need to be go, go, go all the time. That a day can only be valuable if it's been a productive day. And this is something that I'm learning to start working on, that this constant on the go striving for, every waking hour to be productive. I'm learning every day that it's a false economy, that if you are constantly in high gear, constantly pushing and striving and struggling and doing the work and pushing the boundaries and constant. Yes, I do advocate that you do have to take action. Absolutely, I'm not saying that you mustn't do that, but you cannot sustain that every waking hour of every day. And actually, if I'm honest, it's a problem that I've suffered with. What is the time now? I just got to look at the time. It's 6 o'clock on Monday evening, and I've only just now lifted my ass from my computer where I have been sat all day. My husband, if he is listening to me recording right now, will agree, and he will attest to the fact that I have a problem. And this is my year of doing differently. So this is something that I want to instill for myself, that while absolutely we need to get off our asses and we need to take action and we need to do the work if we want to get anywhere, we have to balance that with taking care of ourselves, taking care, like giving ourselves downtime, listening to our body, that if it's tired, go and rest. My problem is so bad that I will sit at my computer and my feet swell up because I've been sat at my computer for so long. That can't be good. That really can't be good. It's not a good thing. Like I've said in videos before that I hate the word busy. I don't use the word busy. I think all I've done actually is just replace the word busy with productive. But doesn't matter what I label it, I'm still doing the same thing. The point, the thing that we need to drill into our minds, and what I have realized for a long time, is the importance of listening to your body and resting when that is what your body is telling you you need to do, because that rest time is where you are being refueled, it's where you're being re-energized, it's where you're opening yourself up to inspiration and ideas. And that downtime means that when you are in productive mode, that you are more productive rather than running on empty and being, what the thing is, I think that it also comes down to the state of mind that you're in, because if you are in constant go, your energy that you're carrying certainly this is all just like I'm talking to myself here. My energy goes into a space of desperation and neediness and struggle. That's the energy that goes along with that kind of stretching yourself too thin productivity. Whereas if I take the time and re-energize, recharge, listen to my body, take a rest, walk away from what I'm doing, giving myself a break, giving my head a break, giving my body a break, doing a meditation in the middle of the day, whatever that looks like, then that's when you're able to be productive. But the energy that comes with that productivity is of strength and knowingness that what you are doing and how you are spending your time is effective and is on point and is on purpose and is intentional and is, everything that you're doing is then injected with the energy of love, because that's the energy with which it was created. So I'm lecturing myself here. I have had glimpses of this. I have had, proof of the truth of this when I have allowed myself to walk away from whatever I have been, neck deep in, and go and sit and read a book for 15 minutes or have lunch for 15 minutes, whatever it is. Taking regular breaks like that, switching the focus, I'll end up getting more done. It doesn't make sense, but taking time for yourself somehow generates more time. Have you ever noticed that? I've noticed that. And yet I know that personally for me, my habitual habit is I must just be on the go like 9 hours a day at least, and until I'm exhausted, until the sun goes down, until I realize I haven't eaten anything all day and I must go and feed my face. And that's not then everything that you're creating has been created with an energy of anxiety and stress and not the same kind of energy. Do you know what I'm talking about? I feel like I'm rambling today, and it's probably because I'm tired, because I've been sat at my computer all day. So, note to self and note to you, the two different energies that you bring to the table when you are being productive. You're going to get two different outcomes. The one is going to make you feel confident. The other is going to make you feel like you're overwhelmed and you're always on the back foot. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments down below. This has been a bit of a ramble one, bit of a weird one. Blue Monday maybe. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. I'm just speaking from the heart, speaking my truth, showing up authentically, sharing my lessons with you about confidence in the hope that it helps you on your journey. I hope it does. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications button, and maybe share this with a woman you have recognized is pushing herself far beyond what is reasonable. Maybe she needs to have that reminder that she needs to take a break. Please go ahead and share it with her. And otherwise, I will see you again tomorrow.